South Korea's push to expand electric vehicle infrastructure. South Korea is accelerating efforts to expand its EV infrastructure as part of its commitment to environmental sustainability and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The government aims to install thousands of new charging stations across the country, making EVs more accessible and convenient for the public. Additionally, there are plans to introduce subsidies for EV purchases to encourage more people to to electric vehicles. Despite these efforts, some challenges remain. High installation costs, the need for reliable power sources, and ensuring compatibility with a variety of EV models are significant hurdles. Critics argue that South Korea should invest more in renewable energy sources to ensure that the electricity used by EVs is truly eco-friendly. The government's ambitious push highlights its goal to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. Yet, questions remain about how quickly infrastructure and power generation can meet growing EV demands.